Hi, David, they call me MacGyver. Today I'm going to show you how to handle 27-foot long metal roofing without kinking it. This principle also works on the smaller sizes. It will show you how to bend it so that it won't kink. And you'll need two people for handling the 27-foot long. Probably anything over about 20 feet, you're probably going to want to go to at least two people. But hang tight and we'll get started. So this is the roof. It was composition, and you can see there are vents. Those had to be removed. Had a lot of moss on it, and we scraped it and took all the product off. We patched the vent holes, and then we're putting a ridge vent in, so we had to cut back the pitch or the peak there 2 inches on each side. This is the first side already done. And we started the second side, but then I realized that somebody probably doesn't know how to handle this metal. So you see how it was picked up? It was picked up and we lifted it off of the stack. We've got a recycle container up there with a 2x4 that's got a quick clamp holding it on the edge of the roof so it doesn't slide off. And go up and we pull it and push, and then once we get it up far enough there, then one guy will crawl up the ladder, grab the other end, and this is the last two pieces of the 12 pieces that we put up there. So we're just laying this on top of another piece right now just to get it out of the way, because we're also going to have to move our ladder because there's a 1.5 inch overhang for the gutters. The roofing overhangs 1.5 inches. So we're going to show you one more time on picking up a piece of this. We both lift together, we curl it to the inside. You'll watch as we curl it. Make sure you're wearing gloves when you do this. You don't want to slice your hands. You just pick it up, curl it to the inside. Kind of use your head as a little thing there to curl it down. We set it up on top of the recycle container. We slide it up, being careful not to dig it into the tar paper that's on the roof. One guy climbs up the ladder, and he'll grab the end of it and he'll slide it up, see how he grabs it there and keeps it curled and pulls it so that it's still curled. We don't want to kink it, because if you let it flatten out, you can get a kink in it real quick and that'll ruin the piece. So this one we're just going to set down, and then I'm going to get down off of the roof there. I'll remove the quick clamp that we've got, because I'm going to have to move the ladder, and also that is in the way of putting the last piece on. So I will come down, I'll grab that 2x4 that we used to block that recycle container, and I'll clamp it to the fascia board, and it's 1.5 inches deep, so that'll keep the ladder from hitting the overhang of the roofing. So I'll put that clamp. You'll want to make sure your 2x4 is wider than what your ladder is so that you can clamp it on the end, and then you just take your ladder and lean it up against that 2x4, and it'll keep from damaging the edge of that metal. And that's that. There we go, 27-foot roof, all complete. Hope that was helpful to you. Well, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get those quick clamps. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Then after you do that, click the bell icon, and then every time I come out with a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks a lot. You have a great day.